So we have a very proactive program for sourcing and evaluating new raw materials. And so anytime we identify a new material to evaluate, we always identify a benchmark to compare it against. And so in the case of polymers, this benchmark we will pick based on, similar polymer chemistry, maybe similar polymer architecture, and we try to pick a benchmark that has proven application performance in the field over time. Also, using polymers as an example, when we evaluate polymers, we typically evaluate them in multiple forms. So what that means is, like for an FFKM, we will evaluate it in the uncured state, directly out of the package from the supplier. We will evaluate it in a cured state, but with no added fillers or other additives. And then we will certainly evaluate it in a fully formulated state in like a model compound. And so evaluating the materials across all of these different forms, each form gives us a different perspective, in comparison to the benchmark and other materials that we have evaluated in the past. Certainly, when we do evaluations, our testing is conducted using standard methods. So these are either industry standards or internal standards. This helps us, make sure that we're properly comparing data over time. So we want to make sure that we're testing under similar methods and similar conditions, so that we can compare apples to apples, in the future. All of our data goes into an electronic database. This enables us to be able to properly sort and search the data in the future. It's also enabling us to take the data and utilize it in things like machine learning models or other type of predictive modeling type capabilities. And the end goal of all of this is faster development cycles. So utilizing this database and basically utilizing this library of materials that we have on our shelf or in our toolbox, we can quickly call upon those materials if we need them, if we run into a supply disruption, or if we just need to develop a new compound quickly in response to a strategic opportunity with one of our customers. And so since Greene Tweed is really at the leading edge of new developments, not only in FFKM, but other polymer materials, we can quickly bring this innovation, bring these benefits forward, to our customer development partners.